I'm on day 3 of my super defined twist out on my fine natural hair, and I wanted to share with you how I maintain it at night so that I can get at least 3 to 4, sometimes even 5 days out of my flat twist out. So let's get started. One thing I noticed, this front section of my hair, I don't know what happened to it today. It has pretty much no curl at all. I thought maybe I sweated today, but because I do sweat on my forehead, but my forehead's up here and the curls are loose at the end. What I will do is just add a little water to the ends of my hair and reactivate the product that I put in when I did the flat twist, which was the Camille Rose Naturals Almond Jai Twisting Butter. And I will do another a loose twist here. Not a flat twist. I'm not doing all that again, but just a loose twist. Put some more definition along the length of the hair. And then before I put on my perm rod, I use an end wrap. I realized that early on, I was putting perm rods on the ends of my hair for my flat twist outs, and I was ruining my ends. And I didn't even know it. I was so excited and proud of my hair because it was growing. But then when I went to the salon to get a trim, I knew that I wasn't putting heat on my hair. I was just doing lots of flat twist outs. So when I went to the salon to get a trim, I was a little disappointed because my ends were in, not horrible shape, but, they did have to be trimmed a pretty good bit to get off the ends. And I had no idea that I was kind of messing up my ends just putting on the bare perm rod. So I immediately went and got some end wraps. So if you use if you use perm rods on your hair, if you're not having any issues, don't worry about it. But if you've got hair, fine hair like me, and you like to use the perm rods, it may not be a bad idea just to get you some end wraps. All right, now what I do is what I call the double pineapple method. And what that is in my crown area, I make it its own separate pineapple, separate from the rest of my hair. Now I do this because my crown area is a different texture than the rest of my hair. It's coarser. It does not curl the same. It's dry. And because of all those things, I treat it differently. I mean, I just can't treat it like the rest of my hair. So I put it in its own little pineapple, like that. I just grab it up. And then for the rest of my hair, I pull it up into its other pineapple. And if I don't do my double pineapple method, y'all, it looks really funny. The crown area kind of shrinks up, and when I take my hair down, it's a lot shorter than the rest of it because the pattern, my curl texture, my hair texture in the back is very loose. So I've got loose curls and then this tight madness going on at the top, and it looks like a mullet, like a curly natural hair mullet. It's not cute. All right, I take a second elastic, put it around the rest of my hair, creating a second pineapple. And that's it. I am going to put on normally, if I didn't have this little perm right here, of course, all of this would go up in the pineapple, but we're recurling this, so it's a little different tonight. Next, I get my scarf. And tie it on. Now, depending on my mood or what's going on with my hair, I may skip the scarf altogether and just put on my satin sleep cap. But I'm using my scarf. Just tie that around there nice and snug. Sure all the hair is in. And for a little extra protection, just in case my scarf slips off, I use my trusty dusty sleep bonnet. All right, now I am good to go. So I'm gonna have a good night's sleep and then I'll come back in the morning and show you the takedown. Okay, so you saw the takedown. I feel like if I just needed to run out of the house right now, I could. And all I did was take down my pineapple, my double pineapple, and my little perm rod roller in the front. I think I'm good to go. That's how simple maintenance is for my flat twist out.